Start by opening your app manager. Then search for and download the Meta Horizon app. Next, open the app and log into your account or create a new one. Once in the app, click on the headset icon in the bottom right corner. Here, select the headset you want to pair. Choose the pairing method you want. In this case, we are using a Wi-Fi connection. You will then need to connect your headset to the same network as your phone. Your headset and device are now paired. To connect your headset to your PC, go to the Horizon Meta website. Log into your account by clicking Log In at the top right of the screen. Then, select your preferred connection method and enter your Meta Horizon credentials to access the administration interface. Once logged in, you can view your headset information, adjust settings, or perform actions such as resets or updates.